In this lesson, we will learn about adding the ending es to verbs. Just like in our last lesson, a verb can tell about an action that is happening now. Add es to the verb if it ends with s, x, z, ch, or sh, and if it tells about a subject that names one. In the examples below, Bob watches the fireworks. Bob is the subject of this sentence, so that names one. The verb is watches, so we add es instead of just s to the ending, since watch ends with ch. In the next sentence, Bob and Layla watch the fireworks. Bob and Layla is the compound subject that names more than one, so we do not need to add the es or s ending to the verb watch.